Step 1 is to go to your Gmail account. Step 2 is to go to this website. Step 3 is to get your referral link. Step 4 is to send your referral link to these people. And then step 5 is to get paid. In today's video, I'll be showing you this system that will earn you $2.50 for only 30 seconds of work. And I did the hardest part for you, so make sure you continue watching till the end to learn more. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Gmail account on google.com. If you don't have a Gmail account, it's very easy to create one. You'll just head over to Google and create one completely for free. The second step is to go over to this website called crowdfireapp.com, which is how you're going to get paid. We'll be doing social media management for other people, and don't worry, you won't need a social media following to do this. Crowdfire is a great website for those who don't have a whole lot of time in their life. So the way that we'll be using it will be completely different. What you can do is read more about how this site works here. So the first thing I'd like you to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on this button that says affiliates/referral, because we will be an affiliate for this website. But here's the thing, we won't be using any social media platforms to promote our affiliate link. This strategy I'm about to share with you is very unique, so be sure to pay close attention to the very end of this video. So as it states right here, when promoting this website as an affiliate, you can earn up to $420 for every single customer. And then right here it says that you will earn 35% of all payments that your referral makes in the first year. That's pretty good. And then right here you'll see that you can earn in cash, which means you won't have to convert or exchange any points or tokens into real cash. Joining their affiliate program is completely free, so there will be zero upfront costs or investments that you have to fulfill. You can begin to earn money within this website even if you have the lowest amount of money in your account. They have very quick payouts, so you won't have to wait long to get your money. They also have unlimited earnings, which means that you can make as much money with this website as you'd like. And then lastly, they have easy tracking and reports, which means you will have access to very detailed data and information on all of your earnings and reports. And then right here, it will show you how it works. The first step is to sign up and then get your referral link. This referral link is also known as your affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on that, they'll be redirected to this website. And whenever that person you referred to this website spends money on this website, you will get a percent of however much they spend on this website. And the way to get more people to click on your affiliate link so you can make more money is to share and promote your link as it states right here. There are also no restrictions as to where you can share your affiliate link. You can share it wherever you'd like online. And then right here, whenever someone enters their affiliate link and pays on this site, you earn a commission. Next, I'd like to share exactly how much you'd be making. You can see that by clicking on pricing right here, it will then take you to this page. You'll notice that there are 4 different options that you can select from. There's a free option, and then there are 3 other paid options. They offer annual and monthly options for you where you will receive a minor discount if you select the annual options. Later in this video, I'll be showing you which audience or group of people you will be targeting and how you can target them. This group of people will have a bigger budget, which means that they will be a lot more willing to purchase. And if one of these people end up getting the VIP membership, that equates to about $300 a year for you. So if you were to get 10 people to sign up, you could earn $3,000 in passive income. 100 people would equal $30,000. And I will show you this process that will allow you to reach literally thousands of people. So next, I want you to return to this page and click on this button that says Join Now. This is how you will create your account. You can create an account through your Gmail, or you can use any other email address of your choosing. After you've logged into your account, it should look something like this. As you will notice, this is not Crowdfire's website. It provides many different products you can promote as an affiliate. You will want to find Crowdfire's affiliate program, and after you do, you will then want to click Join Program right here. You will then be redirected to their dashboard where you will be able to track and view your earnings. And if you scroll down a bit, you will also be able to find your affiliate link. You'll just want to copy this link and head over to the next website I'll be showing you today. This website is called bit.ly.com. This website is a URL shortener. It's completely optional, but when you have a shorter link, people are more willing to click on it as opposed to clicking on a long, ugly link. So what you're going to do is copy and paste your affiliate link right in this box and then click this button that says Shorten. That will then provide you with a new shortened link. Now I'm going to show you how you can get traffic that will click on your affiliate link. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you'd like to learn about more ways to make money online. So we are going to be using Gmail. And again, if you don't have a Gmail account, you can create one for free. After you get your Gmail account, you will just click on Compose right here. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, I did the hardest part for you. I wrote the email you will be using that you can copy for yourself right here. You will want to type this text in the body of your email right here. After you've done that, you'll want to add your affiliate link right here and your name right here. Next, we will need to find people to send this to. So I want you to head on over to Google and search top social media marketing companies. You'll be able to find tons of these, and all you need are just a few to sign up through your affiliate link so you can earn money. So I recommend you click on this page right here. And you will notice that there are thousands of different firms on here. That means there are many potential customers for you. And these customers are perfect for Crowdfire because it will save them a lot of time and energy and won't be a big investment at all for them. And since these are big companies, we know that they have a large enough investment budget, whereas individuals won't have that kind of money to spend. This means that there's an increased likelihood that they will choose to pay for more expensive options. So what you are going to want to do is get their email address. In order to do that, you will want to click on this button that says Visit Website. You will then want to find their contact info, which you can usually find in their About Us section. After you've found their email address, you will then just copy it, return to Gmail, then paste it right here and send this message. You will just repeat this process over and over with each of these companies. And the best part about this is that there are literally thousands of these companies. And like I mentioned previously, if you were to get 100 customers, that could result in $30,000 a year in passive income. You just need to do this once and you will receive recurring commissions. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.